the question you were basically wanting to ask was in relation to derivative market. Now, in derivative market, when the SEBI has done the study, 9 out of 10 retail investors have lost the money on F&O market. I mean, sometimes, in their exuberance, the retail investors seem to think that they are very smart and therefore but actually they're losing money, and this has been proven where you have, last few. So therefore, we need better nuanced thing on that. And in order to do that,
so is may I interrupt you, sir? Is a clampdown the answer, or is, like you yourself said, a more nuanced framework which allows people to take their risk? After all, it's a free country.
We need to have a nuanced, we have to have an informed investors. We have to also have some systemic improvements. Now, in terms of systemic improvement, in terms of how you measure, for example, the volumes you mentioned. Now, the volumes you can mention in terms of notional interest. Now, the point is, the notional interest is sometimes misleading in case of, because when you're comparing options and futures, they are not necessarily, it's like apples and oranges. In case of options, it is the premiums which are more, important. Now, for example, on the expiry day, you will have hordes and hordes of people. There will be just before 3 minutes, 4 minutes of the expiry day, if the people are really crowding thing, and it will lead to a market instability problem. So therefore, we had this regulation that means we have a weekly expiry. So now we have also put out a paper and people have reacted. We will actually work it out. Number one, the metrics of measurement must change. And secondly, it cannot be one-way street. Like, it cannot be that only the very large organized players must always be making money and the retailers must always be losing money.